So we are given if alpha and beta are the zeros of this polynomial 2x square minus 4x plus 5, and we have to get the value of alpha minus beta the whole square. Now the first thing that we will do here is to obtain the alpha plus beta and alpha minus beta. What we know that alpha plus beta is equal to minus b by a, that is negative coefficient of x, which is minus b by a, and a is what? A is the coefficient of x square, that is 2. So from here we got, after simplifying, you can see this is 4 over 2, that can be reduced, and we get alpha plus beta as 2 here. Now similarly we can obtain alpha into beta. So alpha into beta is what? The product of the zeros. So alpha beta is equal to c over a, and c is what? The constant term, which is 5, that divided by a, which is 2. So the product of the zeros and sum of the zeros is obtained. Next, we'll write down the formula for obtaining what is, we have to get alpha minus beta whole square. And see, we have to get alpha minus beta whole square, and for that, we will be writing in terms of sum and the product. So this can be written as what? Alpha minus beta whole square can be written as alpha plus beta the whole square minus 4 times alpha beta. Well, this is the formula that you have to remember, that is, this is a relation between this alpha minus beta whole square and alpha plus beta whole square. Next, we are just going to place the value. We have to obtain the value of alpha minus beta whole square. Now we can replace this with what? We can replace alpha plus beta as what? 2 here. So I'll be writing 2 here, that is 2 and the square over it, minus 4 times alpha beta, and alpha beta is what? 5 over 2. This is 5 over 2. This can be reduced by 2 times. This is alpha minus beta whole square only. So 2 square is 4 and 5 into 2 is 10. So that is equal to negative 6. Now problem is that square of a number, this is alpha minus beta whole square. Square of a number cannot be negative. So why it's like this? Let me check. So but we know that square of a number cannot be negative, right? So it means the roots are not real here. We can find out the root also. D is what? B square minus 4 is. See, B is minus 4 square, which is 16, minus 4 times A is 2, and C is 5. So 16 minus, this is 40, which is what? This is negative 24. Well, this does not have a real root. This does not have a real root, but then since it is an MCQ and we have to find the value of alpha minus beta whole square, and we got this as negative 6. So for option is minus 2. The question is to find the value of k such that this given polynomial has the sum of the zeros is equal to half their product. Now, some of the zeros are represented by alpha and beta. If I take alpha and beta as the zeros of this polynomial, is equal to half times the product, and the product is alpha beta. So sum of the zeros is minus b by a. So minus b will be what? The positive of this, that is k plus 6, minus b by a, where a is 1 here, so you may not write, is equal to half the product. And what is the product? Product of the zeros is c by a. And what is c? This whole thing is called c. So c is given as 2 times 2k plus 1. Now we can reduce this, 2 and 2 get cancelled, and simplify to get the value of k. So this is k plus 6 is equal to 2k plus 1. Transposing 1 to the left hand side and k to the other side. So this is what? 5, and this side it is only k. 2k minus k is k. So that results to give the value of k as 5. So this is what we have to find out, the value of k, and we get the value of k as 5.